So I don't have the vid, but I also definitely don't feel good today. So come along with me, we're gonna have a sick day. Okay, so step one is obvious. We need a comfy, cozy outfit. I mean, I'm loving this robe and everything. It's amazing, but like, I'm not trying to flash you. This is so much better. Making some tea now. Throat is what's bothering me, so I'm gonna go for the throat coat today. I'm probably gonna go watch some Netflix and take a nap now. Love you.